Shaping tomorrow will never be seen the same. The very fact that now technology is accessible to the brain makes you remember the sci-fi shows that existed a long time ago. What was once seen as entertainment is now knocking at your door. The reality that brain chips have become more of a groundbreaking technology is no longer just a theory. It's now being said that brain chips can truly enhance the quality of life for individuals facing physical limitations or even boost our cognitive abilities. But are the benefits worth the risks? As many of you may have heard, Elon Musk's Neuralink has recently received clearance for its first human trials last week. This innovative technology aims to bridge the gap between the human brain and computers, promising a range of possibilities, from restoring movement in paralyzed individuals to augmenting cognitive functions. The neural interface developed by Neuralink was set to be tested in humans for the first time in 2023 with BCI technology from a previous company, Synchron, that first received FDA approval for the first human patient. However, botched surgeries and potential violations of animal welfare caused this approval to come to a complete halt. But before we delve deeper, let's take a moment to understand the future possibilities of this groundbreaking technology. This marks a significant step forward in the development of brain-computer interfaces with shaping tomorrow. But what could this mean for individuals who have lost the use of their limbs, or for those seeking to enhance their cognitive abilities? While the future possibilities are exciting, it's crucial to address the concerns and risks associated with brain chip technology. The invasive nature of brain implants raises ethical and safety questions that cannot be ignored. We must carefully consider the balance between the promise of a better life and the potential dangers. To gain a more comprehensive perspective, let's hear from some experts in the field. Neuroscientists, ethicists, and medical professionals provide their insights on the implications of brain chip technology. It's essential to hear diverse opinions to make an informed judgment on the matter. First, let's see what the neuroscience professor of Duke University, Miguel
has a faint idea where the brain is located
on this matter.
But he thinks that he knows digital components, like language, is more digital. He cannot make juice, memory juice, like he wants to.
You talk about the improvements.
Now let's hear what James Domer, who is an engineer with a physics background and senior developer at Nitobi Softwares, has to say about Neuralink.
But you do have to go through the skin. But in this case, you get to make much less invasive incisions in the cranium itself, and you can distribute the electrodes more widely. With this, you could potentially do that. I think the downsides of this are the signal integrity is going to be a lot lower. The version that they're doing now is more invasive and somewhat more risky, but it has dramatically higher channel capacity.
What are your thoughts? Do you believe Neuralink's brain chips are shaping tomorrow for the future possibilities, or do the risks outweigh the benefits? Let's talk about it in the comments. For more thought-provoking content on cutting-edge technologies and their impact on our lives, subscribe to this channel.